induction range will revolutionize the way you cook with more speed, precision, and efficiency than a traditional range. Induction cooktops work by creating an electromagnetic field that heats up only when in contact with ferrous metal. The induction cooktop surface remains cooler and cools down more quickly than a gas or electric cooktop. However, residual heat transferred from the cookware may make the glass surface hot. Give the induction cooktop some time to dissipate this residual heat before attempting to touch or clean the unit. Unlike gas and electric cooktops, induction offers numerous benefits such as faster heating, precision control, a cooler cooktop, and easy cleanups. Induction heats quickly, boiling water and heating up cookware faster than conventional cooktops, shortening cook times and saving you time. Faster heating requires a few precautions. Try not to overheat cookware or overcook delicate items such as eggs. Induction's precise temperature controls help you melt chocolate or simmer tomato sauce without scorching. When cookware is removed from the surface, the cooktop cools down significantly faster than a gas or electric cooktop. Spills and mess do not burn on an induction surface, making cleanup easier. Before using the induction cooktop, determine if your cookware is induction compatible. Induction only works with ferromagnetic materials such as enameled steel, cast iron, and some stainless steel. Induction does not work with glass, Pyrex, aluminum, copper, ceramic, and some stainless steel. To check cookware for compatibility, simply place a magnet on the bottom of the pan. If the magnet sticks, the cookware is induction compatible. Note: induction works best with cookware with a flat and even base. Avoid using cookware with a curved or patterned base. For even heating and proper cookware detection, choose an element that is closest in size to your cookware. The diameter of the cookware base should be no more than half an inch smaller than the element diameter. The range provides an LED bar for each induction element on the cooktop. These LED bars display the element's power level setting, ranging from low to high to boost. The LED bars have 3 display modes. A solid red bar displays when the induction element is activated. A slow pulsating bar displays when no cookware is detected on an active element or when using incompatible cookware. A rapid pulse displays when the boost mode is activated. Selecting boost mode temporarily increases the power of the element to a very high level for faster heating of large amounts of food or water. Boost mode can operate for a maximum of 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the element automatically changes to a high power level. Due to high power demand, only one induction element from each pair of elements can be run in boost mode at one time. If both elements in a pair are set to boost mode, both elements will revert to high. A little care will help keep your induction cooktop looking its best. To avoid scratching your induction cooktop, do not slide cookware or use cookware with rough finishes. To avoid residue and water deposits, clean and dry cookware before use.